my channel. So I'm going to be doing a room tour today, and I know I just recently posted a room tour video, but I moved. So yeah, this is my new room and my new space. So I moved downtown, so we were actually very lucky to move, and I'm just so grateful that I moved here because I just love this place. I love the building. I have my own bathroom now, so that's something that I just is a cherry on top, okay? So yeah, I'm really happy that I moved here. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a room tour because I have nothing better else to do, so you know. So without further ado, let's watch this video. Let's go. Hey guys, so this is the entrance to my room, and I just have a dream catcher here that I just put in front. I don't know why, it's just random. And this wall thingy from Daiso, and I just always put it near my door. I don't know why. I just leave it there. And this is my bathroom, and I finally have my own bathroom. Super happy about it. It's nothing very interesting, but it's just nice to have your own bathroom. So yeah, I got this rug from Pattern Furnishings and this basket from Home Center, I think. So yeah, it's very cute, and there's nothing that interesting. And I got these jars from Home Center, I think. And yeah, it just elevates the look a little bit more, so I just put like cotton stuff in there. And of course my Kiehl's oils. It's my favorite of all time. And this is just the things that I use like regularly on a daily basis. And this is saline water. I got this from Bangkok. And this is like, I replaced my toner with this, and it's literally the best thing, and it's changed my like skincare game. I love it because my boyfriend uses this and he has baby skin, so I just wanted to try it out, and it really just changed everything. So yeah, all these random stuff. And yeah, this is also, I would say, like a dupe for the Origins pink mask. I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, I really like this as well. So there's really nothing interesting here. So yeah, we're just gonna go with my shower. And this is my shower curtain I got from IKEA, and I really like it because it's like very simple and has like lines on it. So yeah, it's nice. I just don't like the regular white or the ones with too much color, so I really like that. And I actually make my own body scrub, and I just put it in this jar, and I just mix some brown sugar, some white sugar, and some olive oil just to make like my own body scrub. And yeah, this is what I usually use. Nothing that interesting actually. I don't really use much, just like shower gel and then face wash and stuff. And I'm using the St. Ives one right now. I don't really like it honestly, but I'm just gonna finish it up. This is my shampoo and conditioner that I use. And I always use Tresemme. I don't know why, I really like it. It's very nice for my hair. It makes it thick and really nice. So if you walk here next to my bathroom, this is just my work stuff that I use and my handbag and everything. And also, if you watch my previous video, you would see this on the wall. And this is just like plate mats that I use to stick on the wall as like home decor. And it's a very inexpensive way just to like zhuzh up your wall and make it all nice. So if you walk into my room, I'm just going to give you an overview of everything. So yeah, this is about it. So I'm loving my closet space right now because my old building, I only had half or less than half of the closet space right now, and there's nothing very interesting. But yeah, I just have my work uniform and like all this stuff. And of course I have like 100 jeans that I never use. And it's just like random. And I have a full-length mirror, which I really appreciate because in my old building I never had one, so it was very hard to see my outfit. So yeah, I just have all my clothes here, and I store some of my stuff down there. It's messy, so I'm not gonna show you that. And right here I just put like a IKEA rug just because there was like nothing around this area, so I just wanted to put something. So I just put this here. And also here I put the stool here because it was like really empty. So I just wanted to add something here. So yeah, and I have this big tray. So when I decide I want to eat on the bed, I just put all my stuff on this so it doesn't drop on my bed. This is my bed. It is a queen size, I think. And this bedding is from IKEA. I really like it. It's really awesome. I love the material. It's like cotton, I think. So yeah, I always go with the beigey colors because it's like my safe go-to. And it actually has like matching pillow covers, but you know, I change my pillows like every week. I wash them every week, so that's why there's a new pillow there. If you want like more details of where I got these stuff, you can just like watch my old, my previous room tour. I talk about them all the time. So yeah, and these throws, I got this from IKEA. And this one, I can't remember where I got it from, but it was like a, I don't know, I don't remember the name, but it's very nice, and I got it for like 60 something dirhams, I believe. So yeah, I just really like it. My Mr. Bear, of course, is always on my bed 24/7. He's sleeping 24/7 there. I also got this shelf from IKEA, and I'm just gonna go up and show you. So I just put these random stuff because I feel like this wall needed something, so I just wanted a shelf. And I also have like plate mats here. I really like it. It gives like a bohemian vibe. And this one I got it from Pan Furnishings, and I will use it for my propagation station or something for my plants, but I'm not propagating anything in so far, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And right here I have my baby string of hearts, and she's just growing so much right now. She used to be like only this long, and now she's like grown so much, and I'm really, really, really happy about it. So yeah, she's just growing a lot. So right here next to my bed, I just have this homebox rug. I really like it, shaggy and nice. And here I just have my memo board from IKEA, and I just put some pictures there. Yeah, because I feel like the space was a bit empty, so I just want to put something. I have my Crassula here, and she was losing a lot of leaves, but now she's not losing anymore, so I'm just praying and hoping no more leaves get fallen off. And I have my beautiful Oxalis here. And when I first got her, she was actually like, no leaf was standing up. It was like all drooping down to the side. But yeah, I've tried to take care of her and just maintain her a lot. And she's been doing so well. You can see the color is starting to come back, and I'm just so happy. And yeah, she's just turning to the sun right now. As you can see, the sun is facing this way. So she's just facing the sun. So if you turn, she'll actually face here. So yeah. This plant also moves a lot, and I really love it. It's so interesting. And right here I have my mantra, and she's just growing like absurdly, just growing new leaves all the time. There's always a new leaf coming out somewhere. So I'm really happy about that. And I just put her there in the corner with the light. And here I just have this random stand that I put. And my mochi, which is my Chinese money plant, I have her right here near the sun. She loves it. And my Scindapsus. My Scindapsus is growing a lot. Like, there's like new growth everywhere. So I'm really happy about it. I think she really likes this place, so I'm just gonna leave her here. And I have my baby mochi that I got from the mother plant. So yeah, I just plant her in a new pot for her to grow, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, this is a standing lamp from IKEA. It was like 65 dirhams, like one of the most affordable standing lamps I've ever found. And my Kintia palm here, she's actually shooting out new growth. I think there's like 4 new growth, like one is here and the rest somewhere. So yeah, I just put her in this really cute home center box, and I really like it because like it goes with the vibe of my room. Like I like light colors, so it just gives a nice bohemian vibe. And I have my clothing rack here from IKEA, and I love having a clothing rack because I like to showcase, like, you know, my uniform and like some outfits that I really like. So yeah, I just leave them out. And right in the corner here is just like my plant station, I would say. So I keep most of my houseplants here in this nice shelf, and have here my monstera. And I got this basket, very affordable, from Pan Furnishings, so you check it out. It's very, very nice. So yeah, I have my monstera here, my Dracaena compacta, and my snake plant. My snake plant is growing a lot, which I'm very happy about. And my pothos, and I got this hanging planter from Home Center. It was very affordable. So yeah, and actually there's like new white colors, which I'm so happy about. So yeah, she's getting a lot of sun here, so yeah, she's been loving it so far. And I actually got this shelf. I think it was from IKEA, from one of my neighbors here. She was selling it, so I quickly bought it because this was exactly the shelf I was looking for, and the color, I just love it. It was everything. And I thought I just had to upgrade to a shelf, you know, because I was using like a small plant shelf or something. So yeah, I just had to upgrade to a bigger one. So yeah, I just put all my plants here. And also this macrame thing was from Pan Furnishings. It was very affordable. Usually they're very expensive. I don't know why, but this one was very affordable, so check that out. I just have all my plants, like most of my house plants here, that I keep with me so I can keep an eye on them. So yeah, I'll probably do a houseplant tour in another video, probably. But yeah, I just have my humidifier all the time near my plants because they love that stuff. So yeah. And I also want to show you guys the view, because like from my side of the building, we could actually see Burj Khalifa. So yeah, that's Burj Khalifa. I don't know if you can see. But that's actually Burj Khalifa, and it's just amazing, and I never thought I would have this amazing view. But yeah, it's a blessing, guys. This view is amazing compared to the view in my old building. Yeah, this is just my vanity. I don't know what to call it. So yeah, everything, I already explained it in my other video, so if you really want to know where I got these stuff from, you can check it out. But yeah, there's nothing much to it. I just have all my stuff that I'm using, my laptop, and obviously my coffee, and my go-to things that I grab, like my hair creams, my gels, my sunscreen, everything in here. And I also have my makeup and stuff here. So I have my hair stuff, hand sanitizer, all my makeup, and then the rest is just like really random. Just like very random stuff. And I have my stockpile here. So yeah, nothing that interesting. So on this side, I just keep everything. It's like very random, and I really don't know what to do with the space. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna think about it later. And I just put it here, the mirror there, because I don't know where to put it. So it's just there. And this is from IKEA as well. It's from the bathroom section. So yeah, I just keep things that I usually need here. So I also have my plant here, so cute. And my mask, just random stuff. And here I have my humidity and temperature sensor that I got from Amazon. It's like really accurate, and I'm obsessed with it because I like to check the humidity and the temperature, you know, for my plants and all, so I always keep that with me. And it's actually getting a bit cold, so I think I'm gonna have to turn the AC off. This is also from IKEA, and I just put it here because I need the space to fill the wall. And I mentioned this in my other video, but yeah, I just made this myself just to make it like a wall decor, really nice. This elephant as well, I really love it. I got the frame and the picture from IKEA, and I just love elephants, and every time I look at it, I'm just so happy. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my new videos. I might do something related to plants, and I know I say that all the time and I never do them, but I really think I'm going to be doing a house tour plant video or something. And I actually got rid of like half of them, and I still have half of them left. So not got rid, but like sold them and gave it away to people. That sounded very bad. Gave some to some people, and yeah, I just have half left, so I might do a video about that or something to do about plants because, you know, I love plants and I'm a little bit obsessed, so I just like talking about them, so I don't know. If you guys want to see that, then comment below, or any other video ideas that you want me to do, then comment below. And who is that? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.